This channel strictly adheres to ethical guidelines and does not support or encourage any illegal activities. The content shared here is purely for educational purposes. Hello everyone, welcome back. If you've been looking for a totally free RDP server, no registration, no credit card, and no complicated setup, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a website that lets you access a free RDP quickly and easily. No subscriptions, no payments, just fast and dependable remote desktop access within minutes. I'll guide you through everything step by step so you can start using your own free RDP session today. If you're new to the channel, subscribe before we proceed so you don't miss the amazing updates. Let's get started. Open your browser and navigate to the website freerdps.com. Now, follow along carefully. Click on Get Your Free RDP Server to proceed. Choose any of the two options. Both are free. Click on Free RDPS, followed by Order Now. Click on Checkout. Fill the form carefully to proceed. Complete the order to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation link and follow the instructions to verify your email address. Great! Your email must be verified by now. Click Continue to Client Area to proceed. Now, you're all set. Click Test Your Live RDP Server now. Here you go. These are your login details for the next step. Copy both username and password before we proceed. Choose Launch App Now to access your remote desktop. Enter the login details you copied and click Login. These are available servers. Choose any and enjoy. You can try as many as you want because it's completely free. Here you go. Your remote desktop should now be ready. Without any payment or credit card details, you can access an RDP server within minutes. Amazing, right? Let me know your results in the comments section. I'm available to help when necessary. This is a free gift to you, and you can't deny it. Let's test a few available servers, as mentioned earlier, before we wrap up. You can return to the servers page to try them out. So far, all the tested servers have strong internet connection. What else do you notice from your end? Drop them in the comments section so others can benefit as well. I know you love it. Don't forget to share to as many as possible. Also subscribe for more important updates. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next one.